So the only remedy for split end is to cut it off. And how often should you be going to get a haircut? It's really going to vary on your hair health, your texture, condition, what you've already done to it, your hair goals, length. All of that will play a factor in it, and it could be anywhere from 4 weeks to 3 months where you might need to get in and get your hair cut to give it a fresh end. Avoiding the hairdresser to cut your hair is not gonna save your hair, and that is something I promise you, because what's gonna happen is that your hair is going to, anywhere that you have a split, like I said, it's gonna travel all the way up the strand and continue to break. As well, you're gonna take a look at your strand of hair and you can see where your hair is gonna break off. Once you have a broken end, that is gonna become a split no matter what. So you always, I always have these clients, and everyone has these clients that say like, oh, my hair won't grow past this length, it only will grow to this length and it stops. It's like, that is not true. That is obviously not true, because our hair is growing. We can see our hair growing all the time. We have roots, we have new growth. So how does that even make sense that your hair all of a sudden just stays at one length and stops growing? It doesn't. I specifically have left my hair for, I'm gonna say, at least 5 months now that I have not got a cut, because typically I am very regular about my cuts to keep my hair healthy. I would say, especially with lightened hair and that I style it with heat sometimes, that it has to be a very consistent process. I really wanted you to see what was happening to my hair over time and to see how bad the splits and the breakage was getting, especially because I wasn't trimming and getting a fresh, clean, healthy end on the bottom.